So what was the front sail called?
Head sail.
Head sail.
It's a jib sail, generally.
Okay.
There's a couple different head sails, depending on the size. A jib is usually the smallest in there.
Oh, get it. Sorry. Thank you, sir.
Something you see in a movie.
Yes. So, and from right there, you can see the little windlass.
Yeah.
Turn us that way now. So push. There we go. There we go.
There we go.
I do need to add a compass. Now straighten it out. There we go. You're driving now.
All right. I get it.
One thing I need to add is a compass so I can tell, because the compass has a 360-degree heading number. I can tell Mallory to keep it at this heading, and she can not have to worry about.
And I didn't know that was her sister until like 30 minutes to an hour of like talking to her. Yeah, Lizzie.
Oh, other way.
Is it Maggie?
Her husband's like that. Is it?
Oh, yeah.
Right there.
Was that his name?
So if you look in front of us, you'll see some tall pine trees.
But it was just funny. It just didn't.
Yeah, there's the only problem sitting that way.
she had
You can't
sister,
look
but I just didn't
forward.
think about it.
That's the beauty of Naviotics is you can just sit here.
Yep.
Got
And,
everything mapped out for you.
I'm gonna put replace because the board that was there is kind of grody. I'm gonna replace it. And what I use a lot of times for like boat projects, if I am using wood, cedar fence boards, because cedar don't rot.
Or just cutting boards. Just shape it.
Well, yeah,
Like,
but cedar fence boards, I think they're $6 a piece.
oh, okay,
They're
yeah.
super cheap.
Yes.
But I have a RAM mount that holds my tablet. I'm gonna make a RAM mount to put there,
Yeah.
so it'll hold my tablet. Maybe put a couple cup holders in it.
Nice.
So when we're sailing, we just have that sitting there. And in rough weather, you want that closed anyway, just in case water comes over the side.
Yeah.
You don't get water in there, or you get blown over enough, water can come in. Because these boats are self-riding, but if you lean over far enough, the water gets in,
But now
it
I
can
want to meet
swamp
him again
himself.
so I can
Yeah.
pick up on that.
Like, can you ever elaborate for himself?
That's okay. That's what YouTube's for.
Yep.
All right. So we're gonna talk about some lines now.
So the most important lines on a sailboat are your sheets and your halyards.
Okay.
Halyards raise and lower sail. So you have a jib halyard, raises and lowers.
And what's the jiv?
Jib is a head sail.
Head
So,
sails, jiv.
not all head sails are jibs, but all jibs are head sails.
Oh, it's similar to like a bourbon and a whiskey.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, because there's multiple size head sails, a jib is the smaller of them.
Okay.
So, but back to lines. So, halyards raise and lower sails. Sheets control them. So this is your sheet. This controls the left to right. And right there is the jib sheet.
So this is the
For the
jib
head
sheet.
sail.
Okay.
And this
So-
is the main sheet for the mainsail.
Got it. Halyards, sheets. So halyards raised lower, sheets control it.
Generally, I like to color code all mine. So everything for the head sails will be blue. The halyard will be solid blue. And the sheets will be white with a blue speck, like that, white with a red speck.
Mm-hmm.
And everything on the mainsail will be red. So solid red for the halyard and speckled red for the sheet. But this boat, I'm not going to have time to do that, and the lines are too nice to spend money on.
They're a little long.
Yeah, I got to trim them, but that's easy.
But I mean, it's kind of hard to beat a boat that you had for
About
2 days.
ago, and it's this put together, because most boats I buy are pretty junky, and I got to replace half of everything on them. They haven't been in the water since 1990.
Oh my gosh.
Well, this is an 88.
Well, this one,
84.
84.
This boat was in the water in 2019.
Oh.
Okay.
The last boat I bought hadn't been in the water since 94 or 97.
Oh, wow.
And I had to replace a lot of stuff on it. Just because it was stored outside and all these lines, the UV kind of eats them up.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, there's your quick course on sailboat parts.
Sweet. On the drag queen. She floats.
With the rainbow sails.
I still love it. I love it so much.
Yeah, like y'all got the same beard, got the same style, all the stuff y'all know.
So he looks homeless too?
For a while, yeah.
So
Just 1 year.
on one of the boat pages, someone made a comment that we get a text that, so I messaged
Oh, I didn't see you there. Well, what a day on the water. First time on the sailboat. Had an absolute wonderful time. I hope you guys enjoyed the footage. If you want to see some more sailing content, be sure to let me know down in the comments below. Right now we're on the way back into town. Stop by to grab a nice cold beverage after spending all day out in that heat. I know there's not a lot of wind, but still had a great time. Can't wait to do it again sometime. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure to like, favorite, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you want to see more sailing videos with Brett and Mallory. Their next sailing trip is going to be the Texas 200. We can't do that one, but who knows? Maybe some other time. Anyway, see you on the next one.